Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's another Saturday session. My name is of course Simon Dan, and today we are doing something I've wanted to do for ages, which is react to funny experiment fails. So experiments in the classrooms, your own experiments, that sort of thing. I've got a few to look at, so we're going to go through those. We're going to react to them and see how funny they are. Here we go. What have we got here? Ah, it's the old. It's the pendulum one. Oh, she's moved forward. No. Oh. You saw that one coming a mile away. She moved forward, didn't she? That experiment does work if you're not going to move forward. Oh dear. What have we got here? Basketball and bowling. Oh, I know what he's going to do. Could be a big bounce. Oh.
Right. So what the chemistry that is behind this little bit of magic is that we are going to soak the $20 bill, use a $50 bill, a $100 bill. The more, the more monetary value it is, the bigger shock value.
Yep, I think I know what's coming here.
If you're a magician, you hide it, right? You don't show your audience if you've soaked it in anything. Chemistry teachers, though, typically want to teach some of the chemistry behind it. And so what I have in this tub is a mixture of alcohol and water, right? So rubbing alcohol that you buy at the drugstore. And there's a little bit of water in it.
Yeah, so the premise is that you're going to soak the bill in that solution, and that solution is going to burn and not burn the bill itself. I guess that's what she's got.
And what I'm going to do is soak the bill in there. And then I do have, I'm protecting my eyes with the glasses. I am, some people actually fold the 20. I'm going to use a set of buttons so that my hand isn't so close to it. Right? And so we have this $20 bill. It's been soaked in the alcohol and the water. And then you hold a flame to it.
Doesn't look right, does it?
Right? And up goes the $20 bill.
That looks fine. That looks fine. Oh, no. That's burning. That's actually... No, don't put it back in there. Oh, no. No, that is not the best thing to do. What was she doing? She figured out... She figured out that the bill was burning, so she puts it back in the liquid that would make it burn more. Oh, my word. Oh, my word. There was no thought process there, was there? Brilliant. Loved it. Loved it. Here we go. Oh, here we go. It's Mentos. And the Coke. This is a classic, isn't it?
James, don't open it.
Put it on the seat at least. Don't do it there. Oh, they're flipping it one. It's going to go off. Oh! Oh, dear. Right, what we got here? Some of the resolution on these are awful. Okay, so he's lighting some methane by the looks of it. Not the best idea. Nice.
I always wish on this video, okay, I want everybody who's gonna watch the video.
Yeah, that's a sprinkler. That's a sprinkler. Oh, there you go. It was going to happen. Not the best place to do that one, is it? Like literally below the sprinkler. That guy's happy. That guy is very happy. Look at the carnage going on. Oh dear. That's brilliant. I like that one. Absolutely soaked. He's still in there as well. Love it. Oh, elephant toothpaste. Why? If you do an elephant toothpaste, don't look straight down the blimmin' neck of the bottle, because that's going to happen. Oh, dear. Love it. Love it. Look at him. Absolutely covered. Oh. It's science volcano. Is it elephant toothpaste as well? Oh, they've done exactly the same thing. They've done exactly the same thing. Bless them. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, dogs and science don't mix. I can definitely vouch for that one. Brilliant. So it's the old basketball. Oh, I see. Oh. Oh, that's got to hurt. That's got to hurt. So that was like the bowling ball basketball, but they did the basketball golf ball. Problem with that is, of course, you've not got a clue where the golf ball's going to go, and it's whacked him right in the face. Oh no, this is going to end bad. The thing is with that one though is that's an experiment, I guess, to see how many bands it takes to break a watermelon, but they count in the bands there because I've seen things like that before, and the melon's just gone absolutely. It's just exploded.
Mentos.
Another Coke Mentos. It looks like a big. What? What? I need to see that one again. That literally exploded. The bottom exploded off of the whole container. Whoa! That's one of the most violent reactions I've ever seen for that one. Incredible.
And of course it's the pop balloon. But what if I put 100 pins?
Okay.
It just doesn't pop.
Surface area. Yeah, okay. Oh! That looked bad. That's a trip to A&E, isn't it? 500 holes in your hand. Whew. Well, there we go. What a fantastic set of experiment fails there. Listen, if you've got some experiment fails you want me to look at that you think are funny, then send them to me at simondan@gmail.com. But for now, we're done for another Saturday session. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.